Hello once again, I am Hybrid, and today we are building yet another Star Wars Lego set, and it is a Hoth AT-ST. Okay, this is set number 75322 and it is 586 pieces. And it features minifigures of the AT-ST driver, Chewbacca, and a Rebel trooper. And then it also has a buildable Imperial probe droid. The AT-ST itself was a little bit fiddly in places, but overall pretty straightforward. Finished piece really looks nice once it's done. It's not the most stable, but then due to the nature of its build and its legs, it's never going to be 100% stable, but of course you can always get a plain base to click the feet down with, just to make it a bit more sturdier, I guess. Some nice functionality parts to this as well, i.e. the head turning swivel turner on the back is a nice addition. It's got the blasters which you can also set off with the push buttons on the back, and of course the hatch which allows you to put the driver in or another character. Stuff, I'd say the Imperial probe droid was probably one of the more fiddly aspects of this. Lots of very small little parts, which personally for my big fingers I did struggle with a little bit, but yeah, once it was done it was a nice little addition to the set. All in all, a good build, nice looking build from the Star Wars series.